Hello Japan Asia friends, today we'll talk about Luo Yizhou, who replaces Liu Haoran alongside Zhao Lusi in new drama The Waves. Recently, a new drama titled The Waves, as known as Hou Lang, starring Zhao Lusi, started its first shoot. The drama, which will be produced by Youku and Youhug, features a young idol from the boy group IXFORM, Luo Yizhou replacing Liu Haoran. This drama actually wants to invite top actor Liu Haoran at the beginning of the cast. However, Liu Haoran is said to have received another drama offer beforehand, so he had to let go of this one big budget drama. So the male lead was given to Luo Yizhou, who was previously a supporting player. Of course, there were many voices on the internet expressing regret that Liu Haoran didn't play the male lead alongside Zhao Lusi, and was eventually replaced by newcomer Luo Yizhou. But Luo Yizhou is also one of a terrific star. He has participated in Youth with U3. With his exquisite appearance and his own popular system, I believe it is another perfect cooperation. So overall, Zhao Lusi and Luo Yizhou, the new couple combination, still leaves many young viewers full of expectations. Netizens are quite curious looking forward to Luo Yizhou's acting, because Luo Yizhou was fairly new to the drama world and was already paired with a more experienced female lead like Zhao Lusi. Zhao Lusi, who is already known for her drama works, will play the female lead named Sun Toto. Since her audiovisual debut at the age of 19, Zhao Lusi has successfully launched a large number of popular films and dramas. In addition to the two artists, this drama also stars Hou Lang, Zhang Meng, Yan An, Chu Junlin, Li Baihui, Zhou Chengao, Jiang Shan, Jiang Wenli, Huang Zhizhong, and Dai Lua. During the preparation of the script, the screenwriter Liu also obtained a master's degree in traditional Chinese medicine. The main characters in the play are also based on the people and events she recorded in real. In order to pave the way for this drama, Youku also tailored a pre-variety show for it, allowing the actors to study medicine. After the TV series is broadcast, there will be supporting music variety shows as after sales, which can be described as a lot of effort. Judging from the official foreshadowing of this series and the cast, this drama is still worth looking forward to. Thank you guys for watching Japan Asia.
Subscribe.